We're out here at Lawrence Aviation Industries. We're building an access road, pre-site development. We're building this access road to maintain access to our groundwater treatment area, which includes our groundwater treatment building, our remediation wells, and our injection wells that exist across the Greenway Trail. HRP's role in this project is to continue the groundwater treatment operations, optimize current operations, or develop new remedial technologies to expedite groundwater treatment in the area. The activities you're seeing today include general lane clearing activities, tree and brush removal, and building an engineered road that's capable of withstanding heavy equipment operations to include cranes, drill rigs, flatbeds, and any equipment we may need on site in the future. As of today, most of the lane clearing activities have been completed. A good portion of the road has been leveled and scraped down. A geotextile fabric has been laid at the base of the road, followed by a road base, about a 6-inch layer of road base. Over the next few days, we will have completed the remaining sections of the access road, and we'll be moving on to equipment operations. Along with the road building activities, we often encounter little surprises here and there, a random occasional buried electrical box, buried debris, soil piles that we maybe have not seen before that we also have to get rid of. HRP's extensive experience and knowledge on a site such as this allows us to think quickly on the fly and solve any problem, big or small, to get the best results for our client.